is the only whole home Wi-Fi modular mesh system that provides 100% speed throughout your home, based on unique innovations in hardware and software. Featuring dynamic tri-band technology, Velop outperforms the competition by using intelligent software to select the best path between multiple nodes instead of a single static path. Velop's modular mesh design allows the nodes to be configured to suit a number of different styles of homes for the ultimate coverage. With Velop, you can move freely throughout the home. Velop's one network design keeps you and your device connected to the strongest signal. The Linksys app gives you ultimate control and access to your Wi-Fi. Lock the Xbox. Share your Wi-Fi with friends. Small enough to fit anywhere, Velop's elegant design blends into any home environment. Designed for beauty, performance, and simplicity, Velop provides the freedom of reliable, secure, and seamless Wi-Fi. With Velop, Wi-Fi freedom has a new address. Yours.
What if real life was like bad Wi-Fi?
Well, the changes to slides 3 and 4 will have a really compelling reason.
Mom, your boss is here!
Well, this is a surprise.
Ian? Well, see,
Come on.
Bad Wi-Fi interrupts life itself. Thankfully, there's Lyra, the whole home Wi-Fi system. Lyra uses 3 wirelessly connected hubs to deliver a super fast, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home. Finish setup with a few quick taps using Lyra's mobile app. Thanks to Lyra's tri-band design, one of the bands is dedicated to connections between Lyra hubs. The dedicated band and smart antenna design of each Lyra allows you to enjoy full coverage on all your Wi-Fi devices, from the living room to the backyard. Your Wi-Fi device automatically connects to the strongest Lyra hub, so it works smoothly and seamlessly when moving from room to room. ASUS Lyra, corner-to-corner Wi-Fi.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app. It gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
I be honest with you? I think people get a bit worked up about safety. Uh-oh. There's just a lot of scared people out there. Yes, safety's important. A bit close there, buddy. Now, the one place we do not mess around, our home Wi-Fi network, which is why we own a Dojo. Dojo is like a virtual force field. Fends off hackers, protects your privacy. Smart firewalls, secure connections, detective-like intelligence. It's all packed into that handsome little guy over there. When hackers break into your Wi-Fi, they don't just get your laptop or phone. No, they get all your smart things. Thermostats, locks, TVs, baby cams, everything. But Dojo changes that. With Dojo, you just tap a finger and protect any smart device connected to your network instantly. Dojo is like having the A-team of cybersecurity. The world's top experts protecting your smart devices and your Wi-Fi 24/7. Friends, I'm the first person to throw caution to the wind, go up and kiss a great white on the nose. But Wi-Fi and internet security? That is no joke. Protect your smart devices. Protect yourself. Protect your family. Get a Dojo.